If your Oral-B IO Series 5 toothbrush is showing a flashing red light, this isn't just a random error. It's actually a sophisticated diagnostic signal that your toothbrush uses to communicate specific problems. When you see this flashing red light, think of it as your toothbrush's way of communicating that something needs your attention. It's a built-in diagnostic system designed to help you identify and resolve issues. The flashing red light typically indicates one of several specific issues. Let's break down the most common causes, starting with the most frequent problems you're likely to encounter. Battery-related issues account for about 60% of flashing red light problems. This includes battery degradation after years of use, charging port corrosion, and internal connection failures. Charging system problems make up about 25% of cases. These include issues with the charging base itself, power adapter malfunctions, or contamination of the magnetic charging contacts. Less frequently, the red light can indicate software issues like firmware corruption or Bluetooth connectivity problems, accounting for about 10% of cases. Hardware malfunctions are the least common, representing only 5% of issues. Remember, the flashing red light on your Oral-B IO Series 5 is not a random malfunction. It's a sophisticated communication system built into your toothbrush to help you identify and address specific issues quickly and effectively. Start with basic troubleshooting to identify the specific issue. First, count the flash pattern of the red light. Single flashes, double flashes, or continuous flashing each indicate different problems. Next, check your charging base connection. Ensure the power adapter is properly plugged in and the charging base has power. Then inspect the charging contacts on both the toothbrush and base for any debris or corrosion. If basic checks don't resolve the issue, try a standard reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to perform a soft reset. Alternatively, remove the toothbrush from the charger and wait 24 hours before attempting to recharge. For persistent issues, try advanced troubleshooting. Clean the charging contacts with isopropyl alcohol using a cotton swab. Also check for firmware updates through the official Oral-B app, as software issues can sometimes cause red light problems. If the problem persists after trying these steps, it's likely a battery issue. Oral-B IO Series 5 batteries commonly degrade after 2 to 3 years of regular use. Contact Oral-B support for assistance, as you may need a battery replacement or can explore warranty options. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps will help you identify and resolve most red light issues with your Oral-B IO Series 5. Start with the basics and work your way through each step until the problem is resolved.